beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and you are welcome back to my channel. As you all know, every Tuesdays like this, we have sewing tutorial. So, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button, like, share, and share this video to anyone that will probably like it. Thank you. So without further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. By using this my model here, her name is Esther. So to take a proper measurement, you don't stand in front of your client like this. You are going to stand beside your client. You are meant to stand beside your client, and you tell them to raise their hand. You take the bust measurement. When you are taking the bust measurement, make sure that your tape is not going like this. It's straight. Make sure your tape is straight, and make sure that you are only putting just one finger in between, so you will not add to your client's measurement. You're going to take your waistline before the nipple. You are going to take it, or if you don't know where the waistline stops, you tell your client to do like this. Yeah, do like this. So where the tip of her hand stops is your waistline. After taking your waist length, you take your waist round like so. Take your waist round. You take your hip. Note that your tape is not bending. This is straight, and you are putting one finger here. You move it. Make sure it's free. Then you take the length of the gown, either short or long. Anyhow, it depends on your customer's preference. Then you are sewing a bust here. You take your bust point, your under bust. Your under bust is where the bra is stopping, where that bra iron is stopping. That's where your under bust is. Take your nipple. Then you take your shoulder measurement. This is how to take your shoulder measurement. On your client's body, there is one bone here. That is where your tape is starting from, to the second bone here. That's how to take your shoulder measurement. Then from that place, you are taking your sleeve, either short, elbow length, or long sleeve. Then you take your bicep. After that, to take the round arm of this, the tip of your hand, you are going to tell your customer to do like this, and then you measure. Instead of measuring from here, you have to measure from here, so that by the time you are done with the clothes, you are sure that even if it's fitted, it's going to enter. Then if you are sewing a turtleneck dress, you are going to measure the neck round length. This is 13.5. So after that, you are going to measure where your hip stops. For where your hip stops, and that's about taking a proper measurement. So our next tutorial is going to be on how to draft a basic bodice pattern. See you in the next video. Bye.